In a surprising twist, a beloved compact minivan gets a rugged makeover inspired by one of Toyota's most iconic off-road vehicles. The Toyota Roomy, a cute and practical car designed for urban life, has undergone a fascinating transformation by Japanese tuner ESB Style. The result? The LandC Roomy, a miniature Land Cruiser LC300-inspired version of the compact minivan, blending off-road looks with urban mobility. At first glance, the LandC Roomy may seem like an odd pairing, a minivan that's now dressed up to resemble the Land Cruiser LC300. But as soon as you see the transformation, it's hard not to appreciate the clever design. The front grille is a standout feature, adopting the aggressive, rugged look of the Land Cruiser with a large, bold design that instantly evokes thoughts of off-road adventures. Complementing the grille is a sporty bumper with a body-colored diffuser, adding an extra layer of charm and personality to this little vehicle. The changes don't stop at just the exterior aesthetics. To enhance its off-road capabilities, ESB Style equipped the LandC Roomy with white steel rims wrapped in Toyo Open Country 165/65 or 15 rugged terrain tires. These tires, designed for better grip and traction, make it easier to tackle uneven and rugged terrains, a feature not typically associated with the Toyota Roomy. A new suspension system raises the vehicle by 30 mm, giving it a more muscular stance and increasing its ground clearance. This modification ensures the LandC Roomy can navigate rougher terrain with greater confidence and stability. Another key exterior addition is the roof rack, complete with a hard-shell rooftop cargo box. This adds practicality to the vehicle by increasing its cargo capacity, which is perfect for weekend getaways or spontaneous trips. With these changes, the LandC Roomy becomes a surprisingly capable companion for light outdoor adventures, blending the charm of a city car with a hint of off-road prowess. Inside, the transformation continues, though it's focused more on comfort than heavy-duty off-roading. While the front seats remain unchanged, the rear cabin has been converted into a spacious lounging and sleeping area. A foldable Fox mat mattress now covers the back space, offering a somewhat compact yet cozy area for relaxing or taking a quick nap on the road. While the dimensions of the mattress, 155 cm long and 125 cm wide, may limit its suitability for serious camping, it's more than enough for an impromptu overnight stay or a road trip with your significant other. The interior truly captures the essence of combining urban convenience with the spirit of adventure. Despite its rugged looks, the LandC Roomy doesn't come with a boosted engine. The minivan continues to be powered by a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine, generating 97 horsepower and 103 lb-ft of torque. While not a powerhouse, this engine offers sufficient power for city commutes and the occasional off-road jaunt, especially with the added traction from the rugged tires and improved suspension. The LandC Roomy was first showcased to the world at the 2025 Tokyo Auto Salon, where it immediately captured the attention of automotive enthusiasts. ESB Style announced that all the modifications on the vehicle, from the Land Cruiser-inspired front grille to the foldable mattress, are available for purchase either as a complete conversion kit or as individual components. The conversion kit is priced at 295,000 yen and is compatible with not just the Toyota Roomy, but also the Daihatsu Thor and Subaru Justy, making it accessible to a wider range of drivers looking for a bit of off-road charm. While the Toyota Roomy LandC may not be a full-fledged overland vehicle, it represents a unique and charming approach to blending practicality with adventure. It's a car that doesn't take itself too seriously but still manages to offer a playful twist on the Land Cruiser legacy.